We're also lucky to be alive in this age of ChatGPT. It's like having a 24/7 expert in anything by your side, ready to answer questions, give advice, even create things for you, no matter how unfamiliar the topic. And the best part, it's completely free to use on your computer or phone. Soon I'll tell you how you can also learn about 200 things you can make money from ChatGPT today. And that's also completely free. The possibilities are endless with ChatGPT, whether you're tackling work projects, boosting your marketing, planning a day, studying smarter, saving time on tasks that usually take forever. ChatGPT gets it done in minutes. If you need help learning something tricky, it can explain complex ideas in simple terms. It can suggest study hacks, translate languages. For business, it's an absolute game changer. You can use it to whip up social media posts, emails, contracts, presentations, whatever else you need to grow your brand fast. And it can read a massive report or book, understand it, and summarize it for you accurately. But the key to getting the most out of ChatGPT is to write great prompts, the stuff you put as the input. The better your prompt instructions, the better the results for you. So here are the top tips for creating effective prompts. Number 1, define the objective clearly. Start with what you need. Is it an explanation, creative writing, summary, or technical advice? State it explicitly. 2, be specific and structured. Use precise language and break down complex tasks. For example, instead of saying, tell me about French history around the time of the French Revolution, ask for a 300-word overview of the French Revolution, focusing on key events and outcomes. 3, consider audience and style. Indicate whether the output is for experts, is it for students, is it for casual readers, and also specify the tone. For example, write formally for a scientific audience, or use a conversational tone for a blog post. 4, set scope and limits. Mention word count or length. For example, in 100 words, or specify if the response should emphasize certain aspects, 5, use contextual brackets. You need to add extra data in brackets for reference. That helps ChatGPT understand what you're going on about. And it understands what is reference material and what is your instruction. For instance, analyze this argument, and then you put square brackets, and then you put the text in those square brackets. 6, incorporate uploaded documents. You can upload related files to provide additional context or source material, making the AI's response more accurate and grounded. You will not overwhelm it. You can upload as much as you like. 7, ask for a style or structure. If you want a list, bullet points, a narrative, or an academic format, say so. Just ask for what you want. 8, request iteration if needed. Feedback is key. If the first result isn't ideal, refine your prompt and ask for adjustments. It won't have a huff like a human would, all right? It doesn't mind doing it again and again. Like, make it more concise or give it more precise words to work with. 9, use examples to guide. Provide a model or example. For example, follow the structure of this introduction. And then you put square brackets and you cut and paste some example text in there to help it. 10, include constraints when necessary. Specify what to exclude or avoid, such as focus on sustainable solutions without mentioning nuclear energy, right? By focusing on these elements, you'll enable ChatGPT to produce responses that are not only accurate, but also aligned with your exact needs. Vague prompts won't cut it. There's a lot to think about here. But don't worry. Look, we've done all the hard work, so you don't need to. Click the link around this video to secure your absolutely free, and I mean free, ChatGPT Starter Kit. It's your one-stop resource for mastering ChatGPT. You can unlock the full potential of conversational AI. You'll get downloadable step-by-step tutorials, done for you ChatGPT prompts you can try out and customize for yourself, plus, all importantly, 200 money-making ideas you can make money online with ChatGPT. I know this will be incredibly useful to you. So don't wait. Click that link now. This isn't just an opportunity to jump on the AI bandwagon. It really is your ticket to lead the pack. This really will be a game changer for you. Thank you very much for watching. Click that link now. You won't be disappointed.